All right, welcome everyone. Today we want to show you how to use Teams to do your video conferencing. I do have a helper here today. Would my helper please say hello?
Hello.
All right, Ella. Okay, so Ella's going to help us out with it. She's in front of her computer at this time, and I'm going to show how I can call Ella. So I'm on my GMS Learn page. I'm going to go to my Office 365. It's probably going to bring up your Outlook. We want to go up to the Waffle. All right, up in the Waffle up top there, and we want to find Teams. Yes, it's called the Waffle, Ella. That's silly, isn't it? Okay, so I'm in my Microsoft Teams. Oh, yes. Hello, Matthew, joining us here. You want to say hello?
Hello, how are you doing today?
All right. So I'm in Microsoft Teams, and what I want to be looking at is this far left-hand side. I'm trying to get to the feature that says call. Now, I don't see it here. Some of you may see it. So if you don't see it, I'm going to click on those dots, and then I found it right there. Now, if you don't see it there, you can go ahead and type in calls, all right, and bring it up from that standpoint. No, you're not going to press any buttons yet, Ella. Just hold on for 1 second. In a moment, you will. And what you can see down here is this button here that says make a call. So what I do want you to notice is in the upper right-hand corner where my icon is at, I have a green. Oh, Matthew wants to ask me something?
No, I do not.
Oh, okay. All right. So you should see there's a green arrow, green check mark there. And as you can see, as I hover over, it does say available. So I'm going to make a call here. And I'm going to go ahead and call. We're going to call on my son, Jacob Andrews Savage is there. Now, what I do want you to notice is that he has a green check mark on, which tells me that he is there. Now, that means he's available. I can call him. If there is not a green check mark there, don't bother calling because it's not going to work. Here, I'm going to show you what's going to happen here. I'm going to call Matthew. Now, Matthew, do you have a computer at school?
Not really.
No, not really.
At computer lab.
Right, you do go to the computer lab. So watch what happens when I try to call Matthew. I just go to this video call that's here. It says it's calling here. There's the picture. Hey, yeah. But you'll notice it says forwarding to voicemail, so it's not working. So I'm just gonna, yeah, we're gonna hang up. That's there. So it's gonna come to yours now, Alex. So get ready. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna bring up my call feature that's here. I'm gonna go to make a call, and I'm gonna type in Jacob's name, Jacob Andrew Susevich there. Again, green arrow. So I'm gonna do a video call. Now, because we do have our two devices next to each other, we are gonna get a little feedback here. So there's gonna be a little bit of a sound. All right. So I'm gonna make a call. You can see it's calling. What's going to end up popping up on the other side is you are going to accept the call. So we hit the blue button to accept the call, and here we are. All right. So you can choose whether you want people to see you to turn the camera off or to turn it on. So there I am down there. So for Ella, I'm going to select turn camera on for her. So now, yes, there you are. Okay, so you can see yourself. Yes, yes. So we can see exactly what we're doing here. We can talk, we can have a conversation. I could hold up something, a sign if necessary that's there. I could even just kind of, yes, yes. Yeah. So the big thing here is, like I said, there's gonna be a little feedback. But yeah, that's all that it takes there. All right, guys. We can hang up just by hanging up, which is what I think we need to do right now. Um, yeah, it takes some practice, and we'll give you some more ideas for this. Bye, everyone. Say goodbye, guys.
Bye.
All right, so I did hang up on them there. So that's it. So we can just click dismiss here. And yeah, there we are. So again, the main thing here is green arrow means they're available. So if I did want to talk, you can, yeah. So I can see down here, Mr. Neitzel does have a green check mark next to him. So I could call him and he, well, he doesn't have to answer, but it would be there. Remember, we hit the dots and that's where we get to our calls at. The other thing that you can do as well, if you go back where your calendar is at, that's in here, you can actually schedule a meeting. So by clicking on new meeting here, you can call it what you want. So I can call it a math meeting. I can put the date and the time, add required attendees there. So if I wanted to start putting my yes, Ella. Okay, all right. So if I wanted to schedule a meeting with my two high schoolers, I can type in their name that's in there. I got the date, the time it's going to go to there, and I can type in the message. Let's talk about your schoolwork. I can type whatever I want there, what the meeting's gonna be about, and then I can just, hi Ella, and then I can just click send. And what that's gonna end up doing is sending them an invitation. And we can go up here to check the way we want to say things like see the entire week. And I can see that, yeah, I've scheduled a meeting here. You can see here, I do have a meeting scheduled with the 6 white team at 3 o'clock today as well, to kind of discuss what things are going to look like. But this way, there is a meeting that is there. It'll appear on someone's calendar. It'll also appear on their email as well. And that's the way you can kind of get in touch with people as well. So we'll start you there. And yeah, thanks everyone.